Reminiscence, breeze of memory. As wind moves, shadows emerge to reflect the timeless bond between cultures. In the 15th century, Admiral Zheng He voyages along the Maritime Silk Road forged lasting ties between China and Southeast Asia. In Malacca, his bond with Sultan Iskandar Shah transformed the city into a vital hub for trade and culture, linking China with the Malay Archipelago. Chinese merchants settled and intermarriage with Malays gave rise to the Baba-Nyonya culture, a unique blend of Chinese and Malay traditions. This fusion formed a new identity, an enduring legacy that thrives to this day. This wind installation serves as a contemporary time capsule, capturing the essence of shared histories and cultural legacies between China and Malaysia. The wind and myth installation symbolizes the passage of time, while the shifting shadows evoke the memories left in its wake, reminding us the profound connections shaped by the winds of history. The heart of the installation is a turbine designed to catch the wind, driving an entire mechanism. The turbine rotates counterclockwise, symbolizing the act of turning back time. As it moves, it awakens the past. The kinetic wave sculpture symbolizes the fluid movement of Maritime Silk Road voyages. Its flowing motion mirrors the sea's waves. Within the installation, the YONG serves as a storyteller, depicting the deep connection between the Malay and Chinese cultures. The bamboo wind chimes resonate with the soft whispers of the past, recalling shared memories. The Baba-Nyonya pattern reflects the rich blend of Malay and Chinese cultures, with its motifs symbolizing the fusion of two heritage into a unique identity and legacy. The installation starts with a solid foundation, where bamboo columns stand as both structural and symbolic pillars. 3 spiral wind chimes rotate gracefully, driven by the movement of turbines, whose counterclockwise rotation also powers the kinetic wave sculpture above. At the pinnacle, a head crowns the structure, uniting the design in a seamless flow of wind, driven motion, and energy. This installation features 3 wind turbines, each acting as the primary kinetic driver for the system's mechanical components. The turbines connected to the main column via a steel bearing system to reduce friction, capture wind energy, and generate 3 distinct motion mechanisms. The turbine's counterclockwise rotation transfers to a worm gear, converting horizontal movement into vertical motion. This drives a cam-follower system, creating wave-like movement in the sculpture, mimicking the natural flow of ocean waves. The wind chimes are set in motion via a steel bearing connected to the turbine, producing sound as the turbine spins, with each chime correlating to wind speed and intensity. Linked to the turbine, the YONG screen moves in sync with its rotation, animating the puppets and casting dynamic shadows with each cycle. We present you Reminiscence, breeze of memory.